guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Jia. So today I'm going to do a get ready with me kind of videos. So without wasting much more time, let's get into the video. Starting my makeup, I already cleansed my face with Dermadoc Hydra Boost face wash, which I showed you in the last video. So for the skin prep, I'm going to use this Biotique Honey Water Pore Tightening Toner. So I put this in a bottle and gonna apply it because it don't have a spray. That's why I like this kind of, so I like to spray it on my face. And now for the next step, for moisturizer, I'm going to using this Biotique Morning Nectar moisturizer. Don't forget your neck always. Apply it in this motion in the forehead. Do it like this. Under eye in this motion. On face, do it like this, like a massage motion. On your neck, do it like in this motion. You know, it matters a lot how you're gonna, it matters a lot how you're applying your skincare on your face. And before makeup, skincare is really important, I think. Now I'm going to apply a little bit of setting spray on my face. Just feel like doing it to set the whole skincare. I'm doing it recently and believe me, it really helps. Now it's time to start the makeup. For primer, I'm using this Wet n Wild Photo Focus Face Primer. I've been using this recently and I really like the way it sets on my face and also set the whole makeup. I'm applying it all over my face, on my neck too. I'm gonna apply it gently, very gently on my face, like the way I applied the moisturizer, but in less massagey motion. Now for foundation, I'm taking my always favorite. Now for foundation, I'm taking my Maybelline Fit Me foundation, my favorite in the shade Soft Tan 228. It's kind of dark for me, but it winters, so it's totally fine. Oh wow, I forgot to apply. So now for the first step, I'm taking this orange corrector to apply on my under eye area. It's from the Darling Isabella. Where's my mirror? Now for the foundation, I'm taking my Maybelline Fit Me foundation in the shade Soft Tan 228. I'm applying it with a Damn Beauty sponge. For the next step, I'm again using the makeup fixer to fix my foundation. I'm not gonna use any powder or something before concealer or even after concealer because it winters, it dries out very much for my skin type. You can apply powder or any translucent powder or any face powder on your face if you want to. You don't need to apply setting spray on every step. I'm just doing it because it suits me. For the next step, I'm using a concealer from Swiss Beauty in the shade Light Moyan 03. अब मैं इसको अपने अंडर आईज में बहुत थोड़ा थोड़ा लगाऊंगी. It just need to highlight my under eye area. So now for the blush, I'm taking this blush palette and and I'm taking this shade with the Damp Beauty Sponge which I use for the foundation and concealer. It's gonna really give me a very natural finish of it. Now for the little contour, I'm taking this Stay Quirky mini concealer stick. I'm taking the shade From That Stormy Night. Talking about concealer, I just remembered a very funny story. So some days ago we went to the market and asked for some concealer for the dark circle, and he gave us like these shades, believe me. And when we asked him थोड़ा light shade दिखा दो, and he said डार्क सर्कल के लिए तो यही शेड यूज होता है, डार्क सर्कल को कवर करना है ना. वी वर लाइक हंसना नहीं, प्लीज हंसना नहीं. So now it's blending time. I just need to dab, not rub. Just dab, dab, dab. Now I'm filling my eyebrows with the help of this Swiss Beauty brown color pencil. I'm applying it very lightly on my eyebrows because I like my eyebrows the way they are. Now moving on with the eyes, I'm taking my Morphe Jaclyn Hill palette. So I'm not going for the too much heavy look. I'm taking, which shade I was gonna take? This shade. I'm going to take this shade right here. And I'm going to apply on my outer corner areas to make, where's my mirror? There it is. To make a wing like a thing. Oh, I totally forgot. Before starting my eye makeup, I'm going to use this concealer on my eyelid as a eye base. Now we have to start our eye makeup. That is it with the eye makeup. I'm not going to do anything on it. So moving on, so I'm using this mascara. I'm not going to apply any falsies or eyeliner today because I'm not feeling it. Just look at the both sides. It really gives the volume. I'm gonna link it down below if I found it. Just look at the volume. It's looking so beautiful. ये थोड़ा सा यहाँ पे लग गया है, so I'm gonna remove it with the help of an earbud and a micellar water. I use this Pond's Vitamin Micellar Water. So moving on to the lips, I already applied this Biotique Bioberry Lip Plumping Lip Balm. So I cleaned it, and now for the lipstick, I'm going to use this NYB lipstick. Look at this beautiful shade. I will link it down below. Just look at it, how beautiful it is. So moving on, for the highlighter, I'm going to use this Swiss Beauty Pearl Illuminator in the shade Golden Pink. I'm going to take a very tiny amount of it, not too much, this much, and gonna apply on the usual places like here, tip of the nose, bridge of. I'm not going to apply the whole like this, just do it like a exclamation mark on my chin, a little bit on my forehead. So for the final step, I'm gonna prep the whole makeup in one place. One last time I'm using this. Oh, my camera, where are you going, where are you going, baby? Look, I hope you like it. If you enjoyed, do like this video, comment down below what do you guys think of this look. If you're gonna try it, do tell me you tried it, and you can also give me ideas what should I do next on my YouTube channel. So yeah, please subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon, and thank you so much for the 300 subscribers. So thank you so much. I'm gonna meet you in the next video. Bye bye. Allah Hafiz.